have a Hindi speaking friend but you don't know Hindi? Well, try speaking these sentences with them next time you meet. Let's start. How are you, buddy? कैसे हो यार? कैसे हो यार? What's up? क्या चल रहा है? क्या चल रहा है? It's been a long time since we met. बहुत दिन बाद मिले. बहुत दिन बाद मिले. Let's go out. चलो बाहर चलते हैं. चलो बाहर चलते हैं. बाहर means out. Want to grab a coffee? कॉफी पीने चले? कॉफी पीने चले? Let's watch a movie today. आज मूवी देखते हैं. आज मूवी देखते हैं. I have something interesting to tell you. मैं तुम्हें एक मजेदार बात बताऊं. मैं तुम्हें एक मजेदार बात बताऊं. If you want the speed to be slower, please select the playback speed as 0.5 times. Try using these Hindi sentences in WhatsApp chat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.